Meaning of hers.
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 Hers. Hers is a possessive pronoun that indicates something belongs to a female singular subject. It is typically used in place of the subject's name or as a substitute for phrases like her book or her car. The use of hers is important because it clarifies who owns or possesses a particular object or concept. Without this clarifier, communication can become imprecise and confusing. Overall, hers is a useful tool for promoting clear communication and ensuring that everyone understands the intended meaning behind a statement.